Hi everyone, I'm Carlo Alberto and I will present to you the project Wiseair. Let me explain why we are here. In our routine, we demand to perfectly know what we eat. We want to know what we drink, and yet we have no idea about what we breathe, despite the terrible impact this may have on our health. Urban air pollution is a strongly local phenomenon, and nonetheless, our largest cities are equipped with an insignificant number of measurement stations. Maps today are completely inaccurate and they do not provide citizens with any useful service to defend themselves against urban pollution. So, which is our vision? We want to turn this into this and map the air we breathe everywhere, every day. But to achieve this target, we need more sensors. Many companies and programs are trying to diffuse air quality sensors in urban contexts at a local level, without any significant success. Sensors are ugly, they require connection to the grid or a continuous maintenance to substitute the batteries, and they do not provide any additional value to the customers. So, how can Wiseair go beyond these limits? We were walking in Milan some months ago and we noticed something. Along the sidewalk there is what we might call a real distributed infrastructure that no one is exploiting. Plant pots. Here and here and here and here and here and here and here. And we asked ourselves, what if each plant was a sensor? The following day we met and we conceived for the first time a pot. Or we should say, a smart pot with an air quality sensor integrated inside, and thanks to an innovative technology we are able to directly power the sensor extracting electrical energy from the plant. It does not require any connection or battery substitution, it is totally fit and forget. The data collected by each pot will be integrated in a low-power IoT network that will lead to create the very first hyper-local map of urban air quality with many possible integrated services and market targets, and everything simply watering a beautiful plant. But let us go more in detail about the product and the technology. Yes, you heard well, in our pot we are extracting electricity from plants. The innovative technology is called Plant Microbial Fuel Cell, and we developed it with an intensive collaboration with the researchers from the Italian Institute of Technology. It is a technology that relies on the metabolism of so-called exoelectrogen bacteria naturally living in the soil, and it works like this. The plant, during its life, receives the energy from the sun and releases excess chemical energy in the soil. These bacteria, living in the optimal ecosystem we create in the pot, consumes the organic molecules released by the roots, producing free electrons in the soil. Thanks to a carbon felt electrode properly arranged in the pot, we are able to catch these electrons and channel them into an external circuit to power the sensor. Let me close this presentation showing you that behind an innovative product there is always a smashing team. We are 7 engineers that merge competencies from the fields of energy, chemistry, nanotechnology, electronics, ICT and management, supported by strong partners both for the technology side and for the market side. So thank you very much for your attention. This was a brief introduction to the world of Wiseair.